I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Lid Lockup Primer, eyeshadow primer. Gonna give like a tacky finish so it can help with the eyeshadow lasting long. I'm going to be taking Power On, which is this first eyeshadow right here, and putting it on my brow bone. And I'm just gonna take my Coastal Scents BRC&02 brush. Then I'm going to be taking Glam Room, and it's just this more peachier tone than this one. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Picked up that much and just put it right here. I'm going in with Going Somewhere, and it's just this shade right here. And I'm just going to be using that as my transition shade. And I'm going to be using my Luxie tapered blending brush, and it just looks like this. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay, she's definitely pigmented, and she's definitely blending out pretty well, honestly. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit more, tap off the axis, and just put it over here too. While I'm taking this color, it does give out a little bit of fallout. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it does give out a little bit of a fallout. But I feel like that's like normal with like every palette, so yeah, I just had to tell you guys that just in case if you're curious on how the fallout is. I think I want to try Born to Stun, and it's just this color right here. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay, Morphe. Okay, Big Primpin, okay. Oh, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but look at the difference. That's pretty. And then I think I want to go in with this Juno&Co brush, and it's the ES18. I'm not sure if they're still selling these right now, but yeah, I'm going in with this brush, and I do have a coupon code with them, which is Symphony. And with this brush, I'm going to be taking Epic Edge and just put it like over here. I don't know, I kind of want to give like a smoky look to this, so I'm just going to be taking the brownest looking one, or the darkest brownest looking one, so it'll be this one. Ooh, pretty. And I'm just gonna blend that out. So if the camera angle just changed again, my battery died. I was playing with the eyeshadow a little bit more on this side, and look at the difference. Like, oh my gosh, I gotta like, oh my gosh, there's so many like things you could do with this palette. Like, let me just finish up with this side. So, and let me explain to you guys what I used. I went in with this Beauty Junkies Dual Fiber blending brush. I don't know why, so I have a habit of doing that. Went in with this brush, and I went in with Beauty Secret, and there is a little bit of fallout with this one too. And same thing with, oh my gosh, my hair. Same thing with Born to Stun, so it's a little bit on my eyes. So I recommend you guys doing this before you do your foundation, concealer, and all that. But yeah, I'm going to be taking Beauty Secret and blend it out over here and just blend it out. Take Born to Stun again and just put it in the center. It's low-key like a halo, but then it's kind of not. Like, I'm really just freestyling this. Now I'm just going to be smoking out my waterline right here just a little bit, and I'm just going to be taking Going Somewhere again, and I'm just taking this mange brush that I got from Amazon. It came with a set. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Make It Pop, and it's the color next to the first color, which is Power On. So Make It Pop is right here. And this is the completed eyeshadow look. I love how it turned out. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this eye looks better than this side. I'm gonna try to fix that while I apply my lashes and everything and mascara. But yeah, with the blending and everything, it's really good. Like, really good. I am just gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts when I'm done. Now I'm done with my makeup, and I changed the lip and fixed the eyeshadow. But yeah, this is how everything's looking. And so my final thoughts on this Big Primpin 35X Morphe palette, I give it a 9 out of 10 just because of the fallout, and also with the pigmentation too a little bit. But the eyeshadows in this palette are really buildable, so that's why I give it a 9 out of 10. But would I say it's worth purchasing? Yes, absolutely. And this eyeshadow palette is beginner friendly, so if you're trying to get into makeup and you really want a big kind of basic palette, then I recommend you guys purchasing this, because it's not just like dark colors or light colors. It has like the nudes and like the perfect skin tone light colors as well with it, and with shimmers, and it's like a perfect mix of everything. And if you're a makeup artist, you definitely need this. This will be perfect for bridal or like the spring, summertime, or like just all year round. It's a really good all year round palette. But yeah, this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like again. And yeah, those are my final thoughts on this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and I will definitely make more videos and reviews like this because it was pretty fun. Like, I love and I miss reviewing makeup like this. And if you guys been on my channel long enough, then you know, like back in 2015, 16, I used to do so many makeup tutorials and so many makeup reviews, and I really want to get back into that. So if you guys like these types of videos, please make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions about this, and let me know some ideas of what other makeup products you guys would like me to try out, especially if it's drugstore. I love trying drugstore makeup because it's so affordable and budget friendly and everything like that. And don't forget to click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.